happy birthday.
It's happy birthday. You open it? You want Mommy to help you? Here, hold on. Let me help you. Who sent this to you?
Mine.
Did Pop-Pop?
Papa.
Okay. What's in there? What's in there? Get it out.
2 shirts.
2 shirts. Wow. Do you like the envelope? Jillian, what do you say to Pop-Pop?
Daddy.
What do you say to Pop-Pop? Jilly, look what's on the shirt. Butterflies. I'm telling you, she likes the envelopes more than anything else. Jillian, you say thank you, Pop-Pop.
Thank you, Papa.
Blow him a kiss. Look at the camera. Go, mwah. What are you doing there?
I play bubbles.
Oh, you like the bubbles. What's on the other shirt?
Okay.
Ooh, bugs.
You box.
You got bugs on your shirt? Cool.
And mine.
All right. Say bye-bye, Pop-Pop.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Say thank you.